So today we're doing the no foundation makeup tutorial. So that means we're not using no foundation. For this look I created, literally I did not use no foundation. I know it looks like it. Blending is key. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. So if you want to see how I did this gorgeous look, please stay tuned and carry on watching. Skincare, skin prep is done. We are going in with the curve case, which is from Made by Mutual. I thought I was recording and clearly I wasn't. I'm going with all these colors on the deep shade of the curve case and I'm just blending it in together. That's how I'm going to be starting this no foundation look. Also guys, we're just going to be focusing on the base today, so it will not be any eyeshadow. I'm pretty much just going to bronze my eyes and that's it. So let's just focus on this base. So I went ahead and under blush pretty much is putting blush before you put your concealer, but under blush is always done with cream or liquid blushes. So I'm using my favorite concealer, which is the H&B Cosmetics Soft Focus one, and I'm actually using my powder puff to blend. I've been actually doing this and I love how flawless and seamless this is. I just want you to know that you can also go like more natural with the concealer, but I love it bright under eye. I could have gone more natural on the other parts and just did the lighter on my under eyes, but anyway, you guys, you've seen how gorgeous and flawless it does come out. So you see. Okay, so I'm putting again some blush, adding more blush just to balance all that together. Blending is key, guys. And then I'm gonna add some bronzer just to warm my face up. I just love the curve case by Made by Mutual because you guys have just seen me dipping into this one palette case and it just works so good. So I'm going to be mixing Cherry Blossom and Peach Pie. I don't know if you've seen this new trend where they mix them together and then they call them Cherry Pie. I did share that Peach Pie is not really my favorite setting powder from Huda Beauty, but mixing them together is a little bit of a game changer. Like, you guys, look at that. I don't think I'll be doing that a lot though. Then I went in with my bronzer from P. Louise and it's called Trendsetter. I will leave every links of my product below, guys. Like I said, I'm not putting any eyeshadow. I am pretty much just setting my face with that setting powder. Can you see how everything is coming together? It just goes to show you that you don't need foundation if you're not really a foundation girly. So this part is very crucial. You must hydrate your face. Everything blends together when it's super hydrated. And this part is also optional, but I'm adding a little bit of powder foundation, not liquid, just powder. But as you can see, everything just looks good. You don't really need to add it on. I'm adding on some blusher, actually eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution palette, and I am trying actually the Dewy Bounce Dewy Mist from Beauty Crop. I absolutely love this because it just gives you that dewy glowy look on your face and it's gorgeous. And I went in with the Makeup Revolution highlighter, which looks so good. I love this on my skin tone. And not forgetting, we have to set our face. Okay, that's the last part, is to fix our face so that everything stays in part. And I'm doing a super easy lip combo, which is just a dark brown liner and the lip oil from NYX. I've been loving this lip oil. Most people have been asking me, what have you got on your lips? Super easy. This is what I've got on my lips. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know what other makeup looks you'd want to see from me and whatnot in the comments below. And would you ever try the no foundation look? Because I know most people are into foundation and stuff, but they still want like a full glam or something that's still looking good, and this is definitely the one for you. I definitely love it. It's gorgeous. It still looks like I've got foundation, but no foundation was put, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Join the community. Bye bye.